Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you how simple it is to make smoked chicken and lamb kebab meat in hickory flavored wood chips. You may think it takes too long, but you just leave the meat to smoke for 3 hours, then go to my Turkish Pied video to see how to make the kebab bread. And I'll show you how simple it is to make your own garlic sauce with 4 ingredients, so you can make fresh, tasty, chemical-free, delicious kebabs yourself. Step 1. Grab barbecue briquettes, filling the heat container halfway, then place 4 to 5 large charcoals on the top, and then turn the gas on and leave them to heat. Step 2. Go back inside, and with a defrosted lamb leg and a whole chicken, season with sea salt and whatever else you want, such as barbecue rub. I'm keeping mine plain since it's for a kebab. We will add sauce and vegetables later. Step 3. With the heated coals turned red, pour them into your smoker, adding hickory flavored chips. It works better without putting them in water, as they smoke more and the water doesn't put out the heat. Then on a single rod, place the meats, then the lid. After 3 to 4 hours, you can remove them and place them to cool and relax on a wire rack. Step 4. Prepare the salad. Remember to be as creative as you like by adding black olives or cheeses, or even changing the sauce to hot sauce. It makes it very nice too. Get some fresh ripe tomatoes, an onion diced up into rings, and lettuce. Then the garlic sauce. Peel organic garlic cloves, then grab an organic lemon, squeeze the juice, adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Blend until the garlic dissolves and thickens like a sauce. If it's too runny, add more garlic, then place them all in the fridge for later use. Here is the smoked lamb and chicken portion. Cook it in the frying pan to heat it with butter, then add to a plate with salad, then drizzle with garlic sauce, or check out my Turkish Pied video to see how to make organic kebab bread. Enjoy, and thanks for watching, and be seeing you in Mike's Organic Cafe to make junk recipes into tastier, healthier meals.